Hi, Sabrina. Is that your head? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Where's your toes? Yeah. You look so mad. You wanna walk? Got on the sunglasses and my glasses. Gosh. We've been walking for almost like 4 miles now. Gosh, it's a really long walk, but it's also really nice outside, so. Hey, so we're back home now, and we went to Target and we picked up some dinner because we didn't really have anything. So we are making some fries. I had these Alexia crinkle cut fries already that I got at Winco, and they look super good. I'm gonna put those in the oven, and then we also got hot dogs at the Target. They look like this. Someone was grilling at the park that we went to, that we were walking, and then it just like inspired us to have barbecue, so that's what we're gonna do. And then I got hot dog buns, and then I got relish, which is my favorite. I also got stuff for s'mores, which Sabrina's never had a s'more, so we're gonna see how she likes that. But let's see. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Yeah. Hi. She's so cute. Hi, Sabrina. Where's your... Yeah. Where's your head? Yeah. Where's your nose? Yes. Where's your ears? Yeah. Where's your eyes? Yeah. Where's your mouth? Yeah. Where's your fingers? Yeah. She's the cutest. What do you want to say? You want to say something? Yeah. You want to show your tablet? What's on your tablet? What are you looking at? Are you watching something fun? Oh my gosh. They watch like the weirdest things. And then also, I wanted to show, I started my garden again. I have my outside, I have to clean it tomorrow. I'm gonna organize my outside like patio area. But I did get this cactus growing kit. I got this at Big Lots like a week ago, and I'm finally gonna put it out. But it's like a complete cactus grow kit, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah. And then outside, let me show you outside. It is dark, but let me see if I can show you still. Yeah, so these flowers I got from Lowe's, and it was like 4 for $5, so they're just kind of random. I don't know exactly what they are. And then these two I just planted. I got these pots from the dollar store, and then the seeds I got from the Lowe's too. And then I've been using this little watering can that I got for Sabrina so that she can garden with me. And they came with these tiny little garden gloves. I think that's the cutest thing ever. But yeah, this is like the outside area that I have to clean. We have this giant bike, and a lot of these like big items, like this is like a warmer. It's not a microwave, it's like a warmer for events, like if you're gonna make like Christmas dinner or Thanksgiving dinner, to keep the food warm. So it's like this big item. And then these containers right here are Christmas trees, which should probably be in storage. But yeah, all these things are just, you know, big items. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to organize this so I can, you know, have the garden be like the main focus, because right now it just looks really, really messy. Walking to go have some sushi.
Verdict count 2. Be the jury in the above entitled matter as to count 2. Third-degree murder perpetrating an MS dangerous act by the
Hi, Sabrina.
Yeah,
hi.
April 2021, 1:45 p.m.
Yeah. So we got home a while ago, but I haven't been able to make a video because I took a shower. We went shopping a little bit. We went to the dollar store and Walgreens and stuff. Thought I saw something on the wall. I tried to return this Disney movie and tried to bring it to the UPS store to have them like return it, but then they said that I have to pay $16 to return it, and I feel like it should be free, so I'm kind of like worried about that. And then we got 2 Redbox movies. We got Barb and Star Go to Vista Del Mar, and then we also got what is this one, Willy's Wonderland, I think it is. Yeah, we got those, and I got these flowers. I'll show you. Yeah, I don't really know the name of them. It had kind of like a really long name, but they're so pretty. And I really wanted some salt and pepper shakers, but I was able to find these ones at Sprouts. They're plastic. I wanted like an actual, I wasn't really concerned about the salt pepper. If they were empty, that would have been fine too, but I found these which come with a grinder. It is like a hard plastic, it's not glass or anything, but I'm pretty sure these are reusable. I can't see why not. So yeah, I got black peppercorn and Himalayan pink salt. Good morning.
I'll see you later.
Morning.
Bye.
Hi.
Mr. Briefing. Good morning. She's eating some applesauce. Some cereal, and then a graham cracker, which she's not really interested in, but she really likes the applesauce. What are you looking at? I'm gonna finish the morning by cleaning the kitchen. It's messy again. I worked 3 hours of overtime today, so I'm super tired. I woke up at 5:30. So yeah, hopefully I get that done, but I'll see you guys in my next video.